might be sure up to your porch with a spike back and leave you front and rear tires on your bike flat. Defeat and kill, delete your skill. You think you're sweet until I cut you off and leave you in the cold like you haven't paid your heater bill. Fuck your squad and your street appeal. Eat a deal, snake click, fleet until my kicks is in your
Another year signing out, baby. BP Turkey Bowl. So what'd you think about the game today, man?
It was a great game. Y'all seen everything that was going on out there. Great game. You know, I wish I could finish.
What'd you think about the loss?
It's a tough loss. Definitely tough loss. But we'll bounce back. Definitely. Gotta get our players healthy and do it up.
Back to you, Mop. So what do you think about your game today, man? So you had a couple interceptions today, man. What happened?
That reminds me of my North game. That's about what I did. Run from the guys rushing me, and then throw that ball away as fast as I can, man.
All right.
I wish the hamstrings wouldn't have happened. I'd have been out there longer, man.
All right, man. Thanks, man. Thanks for the interview. Oscar, need to talk to you, Oscar. Hi, Oscar. So what do you think about your performance today, man?
Well, we got to do 110%. You know what I mean?
Game ball.
It's good teamwork. That's what it is. It's no disguises.
How'd you feel about that hand on the shoulder?
Back to you, Mom. Ricky.
Chango. Oh, Chango got next.
No, wait. ESPN Deportes.
I want to know, when you came on the blitz, what was you thinking? Did you think you had the sack? And how did you feel when your body was up in the air and you're getting smashed down with all that weight? What was going through your head? It doesn't matter what the hell was going through your head.
All right. Very good, Ricky Fuentes. You did all right for the first time in his Turkey Bowl days. So what do you think about your performance today, Ricky? No comment. Get the fuck out of here. Abel, let's talk to Abel now. Abel. Man, what were you thinking, bro? You got run over by Oscar. By your own player. You got trucked by the quarterback, bro. You got trucked by the quarterback. What are you going to do next year, man? Are you going to hit the steroids? What are you going to do? Are you going to run your legs? What are you going to do? What are you going to do, Abel? Talk to the media. Talk to the media. Free. Shaq, we need to talk to you, man. So what do you think about your performance today, man?
You know, man, I think I did good on the defensive end. Offensively, you know, it's a little lackluster, but you know, altogether it was a good game. Our team came out with the loss, but we'll be back for revenge next year.
Hey man, what do you do to get weight?
For sure.
Just get my hair cut.
Just get my haircut.
That's it. Raw images. We're here to check about the raw images. Raw images, right?
Yeah.
Raw images.
Okay.
So
At
Ricky,
the end?
right here with Ricky Garcia. He looked too good out there. Looking the hole. I don't know what's going on.
Right now I'm nursing an injury.
So what do you think about your performance, Ricky?
You know what? I could have done a lot better. Like I said, I'm not trying to make excuses, but I'm nursing an injury. It's coming back from rehab, man. But we'll see next year. Probably the year.
You want to send a shout out?
Yeah, man. A little shout out to Raw Images, man.
All right, for sure. And Rap 1.